sleep. Remember the dream?
So Brandon, what are you out here doing today, everybody?
I'm going skydiving.
Yeah? Whose great idea was this?
Mine, graduation present.
Nice, nice. First time?
Yes, first time.
Right on, man. Well, you been looking forward to this for a while then?
Oh yes, very long time.
Right on. Well, here in about 15 minutes, we'll be jumping out of that. So that is a 1957 Cessna 182, and it's cozy to say the least. All right.
All right.
So you ready for this then?
Yes, I am.
Right on. Well, let's get it done then.
All right, boys, ready to rock and roll?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's roll.
Any last words before we get in this
I'm good.
old aircraft?
Oh, I'm good.
You're good? How about you, Kelly? You doing all right?
Nothing. No famous words at this point.
It's all good. Have fun, guys.
So you're gonna sit on this one right?
I just shut it off, Kelly.
Thank you. Thank you.
my God. Oh, let's go again. Let's go again.
Oh, nice. Nothing but good times.
Oh, wow. All right. Definitely feel like a bird up here.
Oh, yeah. job, brother.
Safe.
Good job.
Wow.
What do you think, man?
I'm ready to go again.
Good times?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get you on the next load, homie.